I'm here at TitanMedical. I'm getting my blood work done today. It's always important to check out what's going on and make sure your hormones are balanced. That's actually why I'm here.
Blood work is one of the simplest ways to catch health issues before they become serious. It can reveal problems like high cholesterol, diabetes, vitamin deficiencies, or signs of infection, often before you notice symptoms. A quick blood test today can provide valuable information that helps you stay healthier. Order your blood work right online at TitanMedicalCenter.com. At Titan Medical Center, we want to help you feel, look, and perform your absolute best every day.
Piece of cake. Painless. Perfect. Smooth.